everyone, this is Robyn. Welcome to mypinkstamper.com. I am so happy to have a few minutes of your time today. I am going to share the cutest Hershey's Nugget party favor that I've seen in a bit. Actually, because I'm not working with Christmas colors and switching it up, it's just really fun and bright. So this is more of a, you could give it to someone on their birthday or just thinking of you, or a fun party favor. So I am going to be spotlighting the Happiness Surrounds stamp set again. This is only available this month, so if you haven't picked it up yet, you have about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, to order this. And it coordinates with our Snowfall Thinlit dies. Now our Snowfall Thinlit dies also coordinate with our exclusive Snow is Glistening stamp set, only available this month. So there's big, I don't know where I put it actually. There's a big star frame. Where did I put my snowflake? We will find it later because it is lost now. And if you're new to my channel, I don't really edit a lot out. I will try to keep this video short and simple for you today. I love wrapping up Hershey's Nuggets. I've been doing this for years. In fact, when I first started covering the Hershey's Nuggets, I just used the Avery labels and I would stamp on them and then wrap them around. But I prefer now just to use our designer series paper. It gives it a fun, bright look, and it coordinates with the stamp sets that you use. So we'll jump right in. I'll tell you everything that I'm using, and I'll have it on the screen along with the item code. If you would like to order any of these materials or product, you can pick them up directly on my shopping page, mypinkstamper.stampinup.net. So we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to tell you exactly what we're doing. I will also have the sizes on the screen for you that I'm using. So I'm going to start with our Brights Designer Series paper. These come in packs of 6x6 with all of our Brights colors. You can get these in all the different color families. So I already have this cut because I had to make a sample of what I'm doing today. It's so cute, you guys. Okay, so we're going to start by cutting this at 1.5 inches, and then we're going to take an inch off the top, so it's going to be 1.5 by 5 inches. And this is what we're going to have. We're just going to set that aside for a second. And now we're going to take the Granny Apple. So that was Bermuda Bay from the pack. This is the Granny Apple Green. And this is what we're going to actually cover the Hershey's Nuggets with. So this is cut at 3 inches and then by 1 inch. And I need 5 for this particular party favor. I'm going to be cutting. Sometimes I just do 3. So if I have to make a lot of them, I will just do 3. If I don't have to do as many, I'll do 4 or 5. It's really up to you. That's all we need, the paper trimmer. This is a Stampin' Up! Trimmer. I absolutely love it. Okay, so now I'm just going to flip these over. I'm going to take some of our snail adhesive. I only need 5 of them. And this is what I do, just a little, quick little swoop, swipe. And then now I am going to get my Hershey's Nuggets ready. And I'm going to just stick them on. You can just whip these out while you're watching a TV show, catching up on my old videos that you haven't watched yet. I posted 4 in a week, you guys. This one will make it almost 5 in a week. Maybe not. Maybe I did 3 last week and this will be my 2nd this week. Who's counting, right? Okay, so now we're going to take some just regular tape. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you can find a lot of inspiration and more projects directly on my website, mypinkstamper.com. And that has everything that's going on. I only post on my YouTube what I actually make videos of. But if I've made a project of it, you'll see it directly on my blog. Okay. My website. I call my website my blog. They're the same thing. Blog, website, you know, I do blog. Okay, so I'm pretty fast at this, and I'm humble about it because I've just been making these for years. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, well, I will tell you what we're going to do next. We're going to take the Bermuda Bay ink pad, and I'm using the sentiment, hello friend, because I just think it's so sweet, and that's what I would say. Hello friend. Now what we should have done is taken one of these nuggets, and before we put it on, I should have stamped it first, but I'm going to show you the trick. We'll see. We'll see if it works. So I'm going to ink this up, and I'm going to kind of stamp roll, which I normally say don't roll your stamp, but look, hello friend. Now I was trying to figure out a way to get a sentiment on this packaging and you're kind of limited with space. So I thought, what if I put it on one of the Hershey's Nuggets? And it was brilliant. I was so happy with how it turned out, and I'm sure others have done that. I'm sure I did not think of that myself, but I did today. I just thought, I wonder what would happen if. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in here. This is our clear cello bag. It's, can you guys see it? It's size 2 by 8 inches. It's perfect for so many treats and goodies. So I'm just gonna slide these down. I've noticed that I kind of have to slide these down at the same time, or it's really tricky. And put your Hello Friend or whatever you want to put on the second one. And then make sure your paper goes down at the same time. And then put your last 2 in. See how that works. I'm almost a at these, professional, but probably I've been making them for, like, I did the math, I think 16 years maybe, 15 years. A lot of years. Okay. Yes, Hershey's Nuggets have been around forever. And I think the stamping community have kind of kept them in business. They probably wonder why they sell so many of these. Well, they're delicious too also, by the way. Okay, so I'm just kind of straightening this out a little bit. Now I'm using our Highland, no, Robin. Say the right color for everybody. Oh, it's Gorgeous Grape. Gorgeous Grape. And I'm going to make sure I have enough. I want to do a bow. I know, I'm doing a bow today. And I'm just using our paper snips to snip. I just make myself giggle. I don't even know why. Okay. And now I'm going to tie a bow like this. And I like this ribbon because it kind of stays. You know, sometimes ribbon will get really loose. So here's how I do a bow. Let me stop talking. I do one loop, and then instead of going the regular way, you go the opposite way. So you're pulling it from the bottom up, like this. With my fingers out of the way. There we go. Ta-da! And that way it makes it so they both of the little ears kind of stick up. And I'm going to trim that just a little bit straight across. You can make it shorter, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's set this aside. This is just our base of our goodie bag. And now I'm going to pull out our Big Shot, and I'm going to be using some of the framelits. Now what I really like with these Snowfall framelits is you can do the snowflakes, but Happiness Surrounds I don't feel is that much snowflakey. It's more of a all-around stamp set. So there's also framelits that are kind of all around. So we're going to do purple and Bermuda, and we're going to have to come back and do this one. The Bermuda we're doing with a solid framelit, and the thinlit that coordinates we're using with the grape, the Gorgeous Grape. And now I'm just going to run that through. Gorgeous Grape cardstock and Bermuda big cardstock. I need to remember to let you guys know what I'm using so you can recreate this if you'd like. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take our Stampin', hold on everyone, don't go anywhere, our Big Shot die brush, and you can just kind of do this, and it gets like for sure, my Valley Girl accent just pops out of the blue. I don't even know why. Okay, so that one's there. I'm going to do this one more time. Put my Big Shot back on the video for you guys. I'm almost done with this quick and simple project. So, I mean, I could probably whip out maybe 20 of these in an hour. I bet I could. So, it just depends on how many you want to make. These are great for all holidays. You just switch the colors out and you switch the framelit, switch the stamps, and then the paper. And you can pretty much, the sky's the limit. I'm just basically showing you the basics of it. Okay, so now I have all of the little pieces I need. And the last things we're going to do is we're going to take our glue dots, and I'm going to add a glue dot to the back of the Gorgeous Grape one, like this, and I'm going to stagger it like that. Do you guys see that okay? I'm going to do the same thing with the Granny Apple Green. If I forgot to mention the color cardstock, just wanted to mention it for you guys. I'm going to put that on here, and I'm kind of like just shifting them back and forth. Now the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our rhinestones. These are our clear rhinestones, and just put one in the middle because it just blings it up. Why wouldn't we? This is so adorable. And now the final touch is I'm just going to take one dimensional, or you can do two, and I'm just going to add it right here. And these are the most gorgeous little party favors. And then when you turn them over, they look like that. They're just so stinking adorable. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, where I will share more of my online tutorials with you for free. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.